I decided to go apple picking yesterday. I came to an apple tree that had 10 apples on it. I decided to pick off 2 apples. How many apples were left on the tree? So, how I want you guys to solve this is using the start, change, and end method, and your hundreds chart. So, I'm going to give you guys about a minute or so to solve this problem, okay?
Wait, he just picked 2 apples?
You want me to read it again?
Yes.
Okay. My sister and I decided to go apple picking yesterday. I came to an apple tree that had 10 apples on it. I decided to pick off 2 apples. How many apples were left on the tree?
I'm already done.
And once you are done, you could just raise your hand so I know you are done. Or give me a thumbs up. Okay.
I know.
Got 2 apples.
How come mine doesn't work that well? Mine's just well. That's because you're doing this. That one's mine too. No, it's not.
Are we okay?
She said this is yours, but mine's just a well. Yeah, but that doesn't mean that it's yours. She said like yours was
You want just another marker?
Markers can't be perfect.
Okay.
No, but
Everybody ready?
yes.
Yes? Thumbs up if you're ready. Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to use this and fill it out, okay? So, first, what was our start number? Who can raise their hand and tell me what the start number was? 10. Good. So, I'm going to write 10. Okay? And what was the change number? Who can tell me? 2. Good. Now, I'm going to write the problem down here. So we have 10. And are we taking away or are we adding more? Taking away. Good. So I'm going to write a subtraction. So 10 minus 2. Now, if we have 10 and I take away 2, how many apples does this tree have left? 8. Good job. How did you do that on your hundredths chart?
Because when I looked at 10, I counted back 1, 2, and then I circled it, and then I found out that the number change was 8.
Good. Alright. So, let's look at it like this. So we all see it. Alright, so if I start out, so my start number was 10. And my change number is 2. So let's count back 2. 1, 2. So what's my answer? 8. Did everyone get it right? Give me a thumbs up if you got it right. Good job. Alright, so let's look back at the problem. Okay? Alright, so today we're going to be focusing specifically on key words in subtraction. So, let's look at this problem again. My sister and I decided to go apple picking yesterday. I came to an apple tree that had 10 apples on it. I decided to pick off 2 apples. How many apples were left on the tree? So, looking at this problem, what word do you think tells you this is going to be a subtraction problem and not an addition problem? Yeah. word in subtraction. So if we look up at the poster Miss Mitchell made, less and left are almost the same words that tell you this is automatically a subtraction problem, okay? Alright, 8 up in here. Alright, left. Okay? So, what we are going to do, what I have today for you, are little worksheets. Subtraction keyword worksheets, okay? So, I'm going to pass these out. Down. Right there. Oh. Alright, so once you have it, if you could just take a look at it and review the words.
Dude, what C is what? Which color? Tell me what's
Okay, so once you have your worksheet, let's start looking at the words.
Yeah.
So, it says subtraction keywords. So, Brenna, please read the first phrase on this worksheet.
How many more?
How many more? Okay? So if you ever see that word, pass it down. If you ever see that word in a word problem, you will automatically know it's subtraction. Who can read the next word for us?
Got an extra paper.
It's okay, just leave it there. It says decrease. Decrease is the next word. Okay, what is going on back here? The extra paper. I need all markers down, and everyone should be looking at this paper. There should be nothing marked on your hundreds chart. Okay?
Oh, you get a color one.
So,
I got one of those.
The last word that we just talked about was decrease. Okay? Who can read the next word for us? Ariana? Oh, that's really cool. There you go. Alright, who can read the next word for us? Pooja? Less than. Can everyone say less than?
Less than.
What's the next word?
Take away.
Take away. Everyone say take away.
Take away.
What's the next word?
Minus.
Okay, we gotta raise our hand, guys. Rahelia, what's the next word? Minus. Everyone say minus.
Minus.
Next word. All the way back. Yes.
Different.
Difference. Everyone say difference.
Different.
All right, and what's the next word? Anna. Left. Everyone say left.
Left.
Now, the next ones are ER words. Okay? Oh, it's not. Next one. What's this one? Sorry, skipped one. Remains. Thank you. Everyone say remains. Well, please not do that. Alright, next words are ER words. So let's read them together. Larger, fewer, longer, faster. Good. Subtract is the next one. How much more? How much more? when reading word problems, if you ever come across these words, that means they are subtraction problems, okay? So, just like Miss Mitchell has these posters that have subtraction, addition also has their own set of words, okay? Does that make sense?
Yes.
So all these words mean that you're taking away. You're going to have less than what you started with, okay? The start number is going to be small. The end number is going to be smaller than the start number, okay? All right, so what I have planned for us today is in your table groups, each of you is going to get a worksheet like I have up here, okay? So, each of your groups are going to get a worksheet as well as a word problem, okay? These, I want you to slip behind your hundreds chart, okay? Does that make sense? Behind your hundreds chart. So, what you're going to do in your groups is you're going to read your word problem, and you guys are going to talk and discuss about whether this is a subtraction problem or an addition problem, okay? And then using your hundreds chart, you are going to solve the problem. And also, each of you are going to fill out your worksheets as a group, okay?
Okay.
As a group, you fill it out, but each person needs to fill it out, okay? So, pass up these worksheets, and then we will go over the worksheet for, write it down, and then okay. Alright, so once I give them to you, put them in the back of your hundreds chart, please. Back of the hundreds chart.
Hey, where's the problem? Where's the answer? You can have a
Okay, once you have your worksheet, place it in the back of your hundreds chart. Putting these in the back of your hundreds chart. Boys and girls, please give me 5. The only thing I want you to be doing right now is putting your worksheet in the back of your hundreds chart. And once you have that done, give me a thumbs up so I know you're ready to go.
This is the end number, everybody. Oh, wait. I think this is the end number.